Today we're making semolina soup or Smida bel Hlib, a comforting Moroccan classic you can make in one pot with no chopping and very simple ingredients in less than 35 minutes. So I'm gonna take some fresh thyme and I'm just gonna pick a few leaves off of it. I just need roughly 1.5 teaspoons. I also need 1.5 teaspoons of fennel. And then I'm gonna take a small tea infuser bowl and I'm just gonna put both my thyme and my fennel in it. Then I'm gonna close it very tightly. In a large pot, I'm gonna add my tea infuser and 2 liters of cold water. I put my stove on medium-high heat and I'm just going to bring my water to a boil. While my water is heating up, I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of salt, a very generous amount of freshly cracked black pepper. Okay, that's enough. And then 80 ml of olive oil. In a sense, we're building a hearty and healthy stock for our soup. We have fresh thyme, we have fennel, salt and pepper, and olive oil. Olive oil that add so much flavor and depth to this. Semolina soup do not have to be boring. I'm gonna just stir my stock a little bit. It's getting to a simmer now. It's soon gonna start bubbling. And once it starts bubbling, we're gonna reduce the heat and then gonna add some semolina. Now that the water got to a boil, we're gonna add 250 grams of medium semolina. Just gonna add it a little by little. And then we're gonna cook for 10 minutes. If you're enjoying this video so far, please subscribe. It helps a lot. Our soup looks good. It's been cooking for 10 minutes. It's starting to thicken. What we're gonna do is just add half a liter of whole milk. Time to remove the diffuser. I'm gonna turn off the heat completely and just stir in my milk. And that's it, we're done. So the soup is ready. I'm just gonna cover it, let it sit down before I serve it. The only thing you can mess up in this recipe is that you overcook it until the point where you got a semolina pudding, which is very different than semolina soup. It's the perfect consistency. We're gonna finish it with some olive oil and just a pinch of cumin. Hssoua. That was it for me today. If you're watching this during Ramadan, Ramadan Mubarak. My best wishes for health and happiness. And take care. And take care of your family and enjoy some good food together. I'll see you in another video.